boat there. I built that little boat, or modified it for radio control, just so I could try out this little bit and that little bit. That's the 2.4 gigahertz receiver and transmitter. And it's actually designed for variable thrust steering, so that's why it's got the two motors. So should we stick that on the water? Camera on. Recording. Got to check the balance because I'm put a much bigger battery on there than I originally had on there. So it'd be a good idea to check that it sits fairly flat in the water and doesn't just tip up. Right. Oh, that's in the water okay. Could do a bit more weight at the back though, couldn't we? Looking at that. Getting tied up with all the weed. Oh, wind's blowing it. Oh, don't want to break the propellers on the concrete. A real problem with the leaves in there, they're getting really choked up, the propellers. Yeah, I daren't go any further. I haven't got my rescue recovery boat, so yeah, I think that'll do. A couple of minutes. That does scare me, simply because I've got no way of getting it back if it actually gets stuck out there. There's dirt on the lens there as well, so I expect that was all out of focus. I don't know if, well, this camera will pick it up, but there's big lumps of dust on there. Should have checked that first, shouldn't I? In too much of a hurry. But as you can see, it does work. It's very simple. Forwards, backwards, and right, left. So that'll do. Battery out. Turn that one off. Unplug that one. Turn that one off. That's probably one of my shortest videos here. 5 minutes. Oh, that lens is filthy. How did that happen? I don't know if I said, but the reason we got the little boat today is I wasn't actually expecting to come out. Or at least not here. My wife told me we were. So I just grabbed the first boat. Thought I could put a charged battery in. So that's what we've got. I was running it on a 2S. I have it in the back of my mind that that might be too much. Oh, that 2S battery. That's one of those ones that I scavenged out of the, is it Amazon Echo speaker set, or the portable version. It's got those LiPo batteries in them to keep it running when you take it out in the garden. Big Clive did a video on taking them apart and pinching the LiPo, so that's what I did. Bought a couple, £5 each in Poundland. Took them apart, put leads on them, those leads, so a balance lead and an ordinary JST lead, and we got a 10,000 milliamp hour LiPo battery, or at least that's what it says. Whether it's actually 10,000 or not, I really don't care. It's a good sized battery that would run a little boat like this forever. So there we go. Right. Wellington boots off. I'm going to pick my wife up. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.